Replacing gas cylinder video. Unscrew all the screws on the top. Open the lid above. Open the lid and see the nuts. Fixing nuts. Unscrew the outer hexagon screw. Remove the air pressure and oil cylinder system. After this screw is loosened, very important, the black border is the tracheal locking device. Press down firmly on the black edge to pull out the hose. Extract the left trachea in the same manner. Finally, replace the new pressure oil bottle system and insert it back into the hose, and screw the screws back as they are.